Good morning. My name is Tony Gonzalez. I'm the judge of the Robstown Municipal Court. Today's date is May 17, 2023. The time is approximately 9:09 a.m. We are on the record and these proceedings are being broadcast live on the court's YouTube channel. We're still waiting, I think, on one individual to try to connect. I believe he's already connected. I want to thank you folks for being here this morning. A lot more people were summoned to show up this morning and they haven't, but you folks did. And I want you to know that the court appreciates that. We are here on the court's pretrial docket. What that means is that everyone here has entered a plea of not guilty and has requested a trial, either a trial before the court or a trial in front of a jury. Today's proceedings, you will have an opportunity to speak to the prosecutor, Mr. Epi Sassi, who represents the state of Texas. He is present here today, if you so choose. Now, if you are here today and you know that you just want to go to trial, you don't need a pretrial, you don't want to talk to the prosecutor, you don't have any pretrial motions on file that you want the court to hear, if you'll let me know, I will note that you appeared, and we will let you go, and then you will receive a notice of your trial. Okay. Is there anybody here right now who knows who does not want to meet with the prosecutor, who does not have any pretrial motions you wish the court to consider? Is there anybody here in that situation? Okay. All right. I'm going to assume that everybody here wants to meet with the prosecutor. The way this is going to work, I'm going to call the docket here in a minute to see who's present. I'm then going to put individuals into a breakout room with the prosecutor. You will receive a notice on your screen that will allow you to go in to speak to the prosecutor. I'm asking that everybody keep their devices on mute. Some of y'all unmute them and I go and mute them. I mute them for a reason. I don't want to have any background noise. When it's your turn to speak, I will ask you to unmute your device. I ask for your patience. This does take a while, but know this: if this was under normal circumstances, you would be sitting in my courtroom having to wait to speak to the prosecutor. The silver lining in this is that you're either at home or at work or wherever you may be, maybe multitasking while you wait for your case to be heard. Okay. But once again, even though you're not sitting in the courtroom, you need to treat the proceedings as if you were in a courtroom. Okay. So I haven't seen anybody here doing it yet, but no eating breakfast while on the Zoom. I even had one person appear one time without a shirt. I get it. This is new to a lot of people, but we have to remember that this is being broadcast, and it's as if we were in a courtroom. Okay. The other thing is, most of you have your actual names on your screen. If you do not, I'm going to ask if you can go in. You can go to the right-hand corner of your screen. There's like some 3 little dots. If you click on that, it allows you to rename your screen. I would ask that you put your legal name. Some of these are showing your device instead of your name. So if you can do that, I would appreciate it. Okay. All right. The court's going to go ahead and call the docket. Court calls cause number 2302-000-309, State of Texas versus Belinda Arce. Belinda Arce. Court calls cause number 2204-000-658, State of Texas versus Jeanette Arredondo. Jeanette Arredondo. Court calls number 2106-001429 and 2112-002932, Terry Arredondo.
That's me.
Okay,
I don't know how to.
no, that's fine. And you have Rios, I guess you go by Terry Rios now?
No, I go by Terry Arredondo now.
Okay, your screen name says Terry Rios. That's the only reason I said that. I'll go ahead and change that, so.
Sorry, it's probably because my email was made a long time ago, so that's under, and it's connected to all the.
No problem. Okay, Ms. Arredondo, you're gonna want to speak to the prosecutor?
I guess, like, I'm not saying I wasn't going that speed. I was going that speed, but
Okay.
I was technically already
Ms.
past.
Arredondo, hold on. Right
Yeah.
now, me as the judge, I can't listen to any of the facts of the case. I just need to know if you want to speak to the prosecutor, you can explain to him whatever you want and try to resolve your case.
Well, if that's what, I guess if that's what I have to do, I've never been through this before, so.
Yes, that's the process. You'll have an opportunity to speak to him. If you can't come to a resolution, then you guys will let the court know and we'll put you for trial, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go through the entire docket, then we'll start putting you in the breakout room with the prosecutor, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Court cause number 1703-001382 and 1705-003-563, 1508-00919 and 1501-002125. State of Texas versus Oscar Cantu III. Oscar Cantu III. Court cause number 2207-003-996, 2207-002-720, State of Texas versus Lisa Ann Cortez. Ms. Cortez? Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Do you wish to speak to the prosecutor today?
Yes,
Okay, we will be with you shortly, okay?
perfect.
Court cause number 1602-001436, State of Texas versus Gracie Fitzpatrick. Gracie Fitzpatrick. Court cause number 2203-000298 and 2206-001839, Jonathan Lee Garza. Jonathan Lee Garza. Court calls number 2203-000395 and 2206-001737, Cristela Trujillo Gonzalez. Cristela Gonzalez.
That's me.
Okay, Ms. Gonzalez, wish to speak to the prosecutor today?
Yes, and it's Trujillo. I just noticed there's a A at the end.
Trujillo, okay, yeah, okay. I kind of figured that's what it was.
Yes, because you said it right the first time, and then I looked at the paper and it has an A.
Yes, no, we'll make that correction.
Okay,
All right, we'll be with you shortly, okay?
thank you.
Cause number 2207-002742, Israel Gonzalez Jr. Mr. Gonzalez, do you wish to speak to the prosecutor? Okay, Mr. Gonzalez, we'll be with you shortly, okay? All right, we'll be with you shortly. Cause number 1501-002-552 and 1602-001-402, Daniel Hernandez. Daniel Hernandez.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me go ahead and put your name on there, Mr. Hernandez, so we know.
Yeah, I tried, but I don't know how to do it. This is my first time.
No, that's fine. I'll put it for you.
Thank you.
Mr. Hernandez, do you wish to speak to the prosecutor?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll be with you shortly. Going to put you back on mute. Two 220700454 and 2302000244. Jarek Anthony Limon.
I'm present, sir.
Okay, let me go ahead and put your name on there, Mr. Limon. Hold on.
Thank you.
Do you wish to speak to the prosecutor, Mr. Limon?
Yes, I do.
We'll be with you shortly. Two 220400848, 2207002553, Macari Maldonado.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you wish to speak to the prosecutor?
Yes, sir.
Cause number 2207002144 and 2207003911. Juan Jose Morin. Juan Morin. Juan Morin. Two 22070031229 2207004596. John Douglas Pack the third. John.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Pack, let me go ahead and change your screen name. You wish to speak to the prosecutor?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll be with you shortly. Thank you. Two 210900240 and 211200368. Christine Perez. Christine Perez. Christine Perez. 18020012001. Raul Perez. Raul Perez. Raul Perez. Actually, he has two other cases, 2302000453 and 230200. 2206001924 and 2207002765. Maria Isabel Ponce.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm present on that.
Okay, can I have your name, Counselor?
Beth Wing, W-I-N-G.
Okay, Ms. Wing, the prosecutor will be with you here shortly.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Thank you. 2302000158, Eduardo Ramirez. Eduardo,
Yes,
Mr. Ramirez, do you wish to speak to the prosecutor?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll be with you shortly.
Thank you.
2302000264, Roel Ruiz. Roel Ruiz. That also includes 2302000294. 2302000231, San Juana Salinas. San Juana Salinas.
Yes,
Salinas, do you wish to speak to the prosecutor?
yes, sir.
Okay, we'll be with you shortly. Two 21020000171, Brenda Sanchez Lopez. Okay, no, never mind. We're gonna have 2207003045 and 2207004668. Austin Omar Silva.
Your Honor, Christian Pineda from Mr. Silva.
Okay, Mr. Pineda, you wish to speak to Mr. Isasi?
Your Honor, yeah, I would like to. Unfortunately, the 94th is waiting on me. Can I sign out and then sign back on, sir?
Yes, most definitely, Mr. Pineda.
Okay, I'll be back as quickly as I can, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
170708537, 170708538, and 17100863340. Anissa Vasquez. Anissa Vasquez. Two three zero two zero 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 276 and 2302000 277. Juan Manuel Vasquez. Juan Manuel Vasquez. Mr. Charles Nesbitt, I see your name on the screen, but I don't see your name in my docket. You may want to unmute, Mr. Nesbitt.
There you go. Yes, sir.
Did you receive a notice for today?
Yes, sir.
Have my clerk look at that and pull your file. Just bear with us. Stay on there. You will have an opportunity to speak to the prosecutor, okay?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Okay, is there anybody on the screen whose name other than Mr. Nesbitt was not called? Okay, Mr. Isasi, I'm gonna have you meet with Ms. Wing first. I'm sure she has other dockets to deal with after ours. So I'm gonna go ahead and put y'all in a breakout room.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
Um, Mr. Isasi, are you having trouble joining? Okay.
Hello? Hello?
I missed a message for to join the breakout room or something like that.
Oh, yeah. I accepted it though.
Okay, because I didn't get to accept it. It went away before I could.
Okay, so do you want me to log out and log back in?
Am I
I
in
think
the
I'm
break
having,
room? I had clicked got it, but I don't know if I'm in the break room. Can you please let me know?
I think I'm having some difficulties on my end as well.
Same here. It asked me to join and I did, but then it threw me back to the main room.
Okay, it did the same for me as well.
Me too.
Hey, everyone, we have Mr. Isasi in a breakout room with an individual. When it's your turn, I will put y'all in, okay? We were having some technical difficulties. So the people that just joined, y'all were late. You didn't get to hear what we were doing. Where Mr. Isasi is going to be meeting with each one of you individually in a breakout room. When it's your turn, I will put you in the room, okay? Any questions before I mute the video? Okay. Mr. Isasi, you have an announcement?
Yes, sir. Can you hear me okay?
I can.
Okay. Let's see, in return for Ms. Ponce's plea of no contest to the 1924 case, it'd be a fine of 114.90, court cost in the amount of 286.67, and should be placed on a 60-day deferred.
Ooh,
And
can we do 90 days, please?
90 days, okay. Okay, 90-day deferred. And then the 2765 case will be dismissed. And I believe she'll be making a payment today. In the amount of, was it $105 today?
101.57.
Oh, 101.67, Judge.
Okay. Okay, Ms. Wing, you heard the Mr. Isasi's rendition of the agreement. Is that your understanding of the agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and the remaining amount, Ms. Wing, by when will that be paid?
She said if it's possible, she could pay 100, and then 100, and then 100. So at the end of 90 days.
Okay, then I will put that the remaining amount is due by the end of the 90th day. But if she wants to come in periodically to give those payments, that'll be fine, okay?
Thank you.
Okay, the court will approve that agreement. Ms. Wing, if you can just call my clerks at some point, it better this afternoon, because right now they're busy with the docket, to make arrangements for them to send you the agreement so you can sign off on it on behalf of your client.
I will do that.
Okay. All right. Anything else, Ms. Wing?
No, thank you very much, Your Honor.
You're welcome. You are excused.
Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Isasi. I know we had another lawyer, but he had to go to another court. When he comes in, Mr. Isasi will have you meet with him. Okay. Next, we're going to put Ms. Arredondo in a breakout room with you, Mr. Isasi. Ms.
Yes,
Terry.
sir.
No. Actually, let me see here. Okay, there you go, Mr. Isasi, Ms. Arredondo. Mr. Isasi,
Okay. Yes, sir. On Ms. Arredondo, Your Honor,
hold on, Mr. Isasi. I don't think she's made it. Is she back out?
Yes, I'm right here.
Okay.
there she is.
Go ahead, Mr. Isasi.
Okay. In Ms. Arredondo's case, in return for a plea of no contest, it's going to be a 90-day deferred on the first set of cases, the no driver's license and violation of promise to appear. On the violation of promise to appear, the 2932 case, it'll be $100 fine and a $270 court cost. On the no driver's license, the 1429 case, it'll be a fine of $125 and court cost of $207.80. And both cases will be a deferred 90-day deferred. And in return for a plea of no contest to these, the second set of cases will be dismissed.
Okay. Ms. Arredondo, well, before I go further, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can put your hand down. You are Terry Arredondo?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Arredondo, you heard the prosecutor recite their proposed agreement with you. Is that your understanding of the agreement?
Yes, sir.
Are you asking the court to approve the agreement?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ms. Arredondo, do you live in the Robstown area?
Yes, I do, sir.
Okay, I just need you to come by the Robstown Municipal Court today before 5 o'clock to sign off on your plea paperwork, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you very much. You are dismissed.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Mr. Sassi, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room now with Miss Maldonado, Miss Macari Maldonado. It looks like she's in some type of hospital. That way you can deal with her,
Okay.
okay? Mr. Isasi?
Yes, sir. On that case, Judge, we're gonna set it for a bench trial. And I advise Ms. Maldonado that she'll get notice when to show up.
Okay. Is Ms. Maldonado still in the room here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ms. Maldonado, you will be receiving a notice of your trial setting by mail, okay? Can I verify your address, please?
Right now I'm not actually housed. I'm in Fort Worth at a hospital, and we really don't know where we're gonna be at till then. So, I don't have a solid address to give you at the moment.
Okay, well, then the notice is gonna go to your last known address, Ms. Maldonado, just to let you know. We have to send the notice somewhere.
You know, can I give you my aunt's address? She's here in
Yes,
Fort
ma'am.
Worth, actually. Okay. Babe, what's Brenda's address? 2918? Okay. It's gonna be 2918 Lee Avenue
Okay,
in Fort Worth.
and what's the zip code?
Oh geez. Do you know this? 76106.
76106.
Going everything else, I'll just put it
Yes, sir.
down.
Okay, all right. Thank you, Ms. Maldonado.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You are excused.
Crystal said, Jerry, are they one book?
Mhm.
When you lowered the
I didn't lower anything.
$100, I think you said.
No, it's 100. It's,
Okay.
she knows what it is. I didn't.
Mr.
lower
Sassi,
anything.
you're gonna go
I
in a
just
room now
missed
with
one, but I didn't.
Ms.
I won't lower it.
Cortez.
In fact, I have to put it on the paperwork. Yeah. Yeah, a couple of them.
Yeah.
On the dismissal, and it's 105 and 270. And that's what I told her. That's what I read into the record. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna put Ms. Cortez in the breakout room with Mr. Sassi.
Yes, sir.
There you go.
Okay.
Mr. Isasi? You're on mute.
Cortez case, in return for a plea of no contest to the 3996 case, should be placed on a 30-day deferred. And it's 105 fine, court cost of 194 for a total of 299. And I believe she told me she can make that first payment. I know if it was this Friday or next Friday. When was it, Ms. Cortez?
I think Ms. Cortez is on mute.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
I can make the first half payment this Friday, May the 19th, 2023, and the second half to pay it off in full on May 26th, 2023. If I think I could probably do the second half before the 26th, but worst case scenario, the 26th.
Okay. And go ahead, Mr. Isasi.
Okay. And then the 22077, I'm sorry, 2207002720 will be dismissed.
Okay, Ms. Cortez, please raise your right hand. You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes,
Okay, you are Lisa Ann Cortez?
that's correct.
Okay, you can put your hand down, Ms. Cortez. All right, Ms. Cortez, you heard Mr. Isasi recite the agreement in exchange for him agreeing to dismiss the 220700270 case. He will be placing you on 30 days deferred disposition on the other case with the first half of the payment, total payment of $299. First half will be paid on May 19th, the second half by May 26th. Is that your understanding of the agreement?
That's correct.
Are you asking the court to approve the agreement?
Yes, please.
Okay, the court will approve the prosecutor's recommendation. Ms. Cortez, do you live in the Robstown area?
I live in Petronila, so it's considered Robstown, yes.
Okay, I just need you to come by the Robstown Municipal Court before 5 o'clock today, at the latest tomorrow, to sign off on your plea paperwork.
Yes, sir.
Okay, any questions?
No, sir.
Okay, you're excused.
Thank you. You have a great day.
You too. Okay, Mr. Isasi, next we have Ms. Cristela Gonzalez.
Okay.
Mr. Isasi?
Yes, sir. On Mrs. Gonzalez's case, Your Honor, I spoke to the complaining witness and he doesn't want to pursue charges. He said he never filed complaint against her. So, with that, I'm going to be dismissing both of her cases. And the complaining witness is on his way to drop off the letter of non-prosecution.
Okay, well, the dismissals will be contingent on the non-prosecution,
Yes.
the non-prosecution being filed, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mr. Hill, you understand what's going on? You're on Zoom, you're on mute, Mr. Hill. I mean,
Okay.
Mr. Ellis.
No. Okay.
Mr. Isasi explained that the complaining witness does not want to go forward on the case and will be submitting an affidavit of non-prosecution. So he's asked that the case be dismissed contingent on the affidavit being filed with the court.
Okay.
I'm going to go with that recommendation, okay?
Okay.
You are excused. Thank you.
Thank you. So I can leave.
Okay. Next, we have Israel Gonzalez Jr., Mr. Isasi.
Yes, sir.
We will be putting him in a breakout room with you. Mr. Isasi?
I'm sorry. Okay, on,
Let me let Mr. Hold on, Mr. Gonzalez still isn't here.
are they here, Gonzalez?
Okay, I believe he's in the room now.
Okay.
Go ahead, Mr. Isasi.
There you go. On Mr. Israel Gonzalez, I'm gonna recommend a dismissal, being that he took care of, two underlying cases and has paid those charges off completely.
Okay, all right, Mr. Gonzalez, I'm gonna go with the prosecutor's recommendation, okay? You are excused, sir. Thank you. Okay, next, we have Mr. Daniel Hernandez. Mr. Hernandez,
Yes,
okay, let me go ahead and put you in the breakout room with Mr. Isasi.
thank you.
Mr. Isasi?
Judge, on Mr. Hernandez's case, I'm gonna go ahead and dismiss those, being that they're two remote, almost 8, 9 year old cases. The officer is no longer present.
Okay. All right, Mr. Hernandez, I will accept the prosecutor's recommendation. You are excused, sir.
Okay, thank you very much, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I go now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sorry.
No, no problem. Okay, next, Mr. Isasi, we have Mr. Jarek Limon.
Okay.
Mr. Jonathan Garza.
Yes, sir. Sorry.
Yeah, you were not present earlier. I explained to people being on the Zoom is like being in a courtroom. Brushing your teeth on the Zoom is not acceptable, Mr. Garza.
I'm sorry.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Isasi, you have an announcement? You're on mute, Mr. Isasi.
Mr. Limon, he's not accepting the offer, so we'll just keep it on for a bench trial.
Okay, all right, Mr. Limon, you will be receiving notice. I don't think he's on here anymore, is he?
No, I don't know where he went.
Okay, that's fine. Then we'll go on to the next case. It's gonna be Mr. Charles Nesbitt.
Somehow didn't put him on the, but his thing is here,
Who's that?
Mr. Nesbitt.
Okay, I saw that.
He is right.
Mr. Nesbitt. Mr. Nesbitt. Mr. Isasi.
Yes, sir. I was waiting for Mr. Nesbitt, but he never.
Yeah, I don't believe he's in the room. I'm gonna go ahead and go to the next case. It's gonna be Mr. John Douglas Pack.
Okay. Mr. Pack.
Mr. Limon.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Isasi informed me that this case will be going to trial. You will be receiving a notice via mail. Can you verify your address, please?
101 Wilshire Drive, Victoria, Texas.
And the zip.
77904.
You got that, Crystal?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, Mr. Limon, you are excused. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Isasi, you have an announcement?
Yes, sir. On this case, John D. Pack, we're gonna keep it on the non-jury trial. I've talked to the defendant. He indicates that his father's also named John D. Pack, and it should have been his father, not him. But that the father's girlfriend doesn't want to pursue charges. So I've asked him to come by and have that female, if that's what their wish is, to fill a non-prosecution affidavit, and we'll take care of it.
Okay, Mr. Pack, you heard Mr. Isasi. Is this your understanding? Okay, then make sure you come by and have the individual come by with the affidavit, so we can get this resolved. Okay, and you are excused. Thank you. Okay, Mr. Isasi, next we have, Eduardo Ramirez. Mr. Isasi?
Okay, Judge. On Mr. Ramirez, what we're doing is, in return for his plea of no contest, it'll be a $200 fine, court cost in the amount of 81. It'll be a 90-day deferred, with first payment being June 15th, 2023.
Okay. All right, Mr. Ramirez, can you please raise your right hand? And you need to unmute your device. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can put your hand down. You are Eduardo Ramirez Jr.?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Ramirez, you heard Mr. Isasi announce that he's recommending a 90 days deferred disposition with a $200 fine and $81 in court costs. Is this your understanding of the agreement?
Yes, sir.
Are you asking the court to approve the agreement?
Yes, sir.
The court will approve the agreement. Mr. Ramirez, where do you live?
I live in Harlingen. This is like South Texas by
Yeah, I know exactly where Harlingen is. I need you to call the court when you get off of the Zoom here. Give it about maybe till 1 o'clock, 1:30. Call the court so they can make arrangements to email you the paperwork so you can sign it and send it back in. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, you are excused.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Okay, Mr. Isasi, next we have Ms. San Juana Salinas.
Okay.
Mr. Isasi, you have an announcement?
Yes, Your Honor, on Mrs. Salinas, being that she's complied with the infraction, I'm gonna go ahead and recommend a dismissal once she brings the documentation that I requested from her. Requested for her to bring me a copy of the driver's license and a copy of the insurance. So we can put in the file.
Okay. Ms. Salinas, you understand what Mr. Isasi is recommending? Okay. So once you bring those documents that are needed, then Mr. Isasi is going to sign off on a recommended dismissal, okay?
Okay,
All right. Thank you, Ms. Salinas.
thank you, sir. You have a good day.
You too. Okay, Mr. Isasi, next we have Ms. Belinda Arce.
Okay.
Mr. Isasi?
Okay, Your Honor, on Ms. Arce's case, she provided a copy of a valid insurance at the time she had been stopped. So based on that, I'm gonna go ahead and do a dismissal on her case.
Okay, Ms. Arce. Ms. Arce, if you want a copy of that dismissal, if you'll just contact the municipal court within a few days, we'll get you a copy, okay?
Okay, yes, sir, that'll work.
Okay, you are excused.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. All right,
You have a good.
you too. Next, Mr. Isasi, we have Mr. Jonathan Garza.
Jonathan Garza, okay, may get his case.
Mr. Nesbitt? You want to unmute?
Yes, sir.
I called your case earlier, Mr. Nesbitt, but it appeared, I guess you stepped away for a bit. So you're going to be, unfortunately, you're the last one to be heard, but you'll have his full attention. All right, thank you. Mr. Isasi?
Yes, Your Honor, on Mr. Garza's case, uh, he's indicating to me that, it's the wrong person, that, he had lost his wallet and his license. He's never been through Robstown, so what I want to see is, see if the officer, if there's any video on it, see if I can confirm the identity of who it was. And if it's not him, then I told him I'd go ahead and dismiss it, but, For now, I guess we can keep it on and set it for another pretrial. And hopefully we can get some type of video feed so I can look that over.
Okay, Crystal?
I got that, Judge.
Okay, but we need to get with
For
PD,
video?
if they can get Mr. Isasi a video of that stop, okay?
Okay.
All right, Mr. Garza, can you verify your address, please?
Yes, sir. It's 23531 Burngate Drive, Spring, Texas 77373.
You get that, Crystal?
Yes, sir, I got it, Judge.
Okay, all right, Mr. Garza, you'll be receiving another notice, okay?
Thank you, sir. Have a good one.
Thank you. You too. Okay, Mr. Nesbitt, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Isasi.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Sir. Mr. Sassi?
Yes, sir. Okay, on Mr. Nesbit, Judge, in return
Yes.
for a plea of no contest, it'll be a 60-day deferred with a 114.90 fine and a court cost of 134. And his first payment to be on or before May 31st of 2023.
Okay. Mr. Nesbit, if you can unmute your microphone. And please raise your right hand. You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Nesbit, you can put your hand down. You are Charles Nesbit?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Nesbit, Mr. Isasi has recited a plea bargain agreement where he agrees to place you on 60 days deferred disposition with a fine of $114.90 and court cost of $134. With the first payment being due when, Mr. Isasi?
By on or before May 31st of this year, month.
And the remainder to be paid by the end of the
Yes.
deferred disposition period. Is that your understanding, Mr. Nesbit?
Yes, sir.
Are you asking the court to approve that agreement?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the court will approve that agreement. Mr. Nesbit, do you reside in the Robstown area?
Right outside of it.
Okay, I just need you to come by the Robstown Municipal Court today before 5 or at the very latest tomorrow before 5 o'clock to sign off on your agreement.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. You're excused.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the time is 11:34